Ooh, look at that.
Hey guys, it's Tony W. We're going to do a full review of the Caraway Nonstick ceramic cookware set. This is a 12-piece set with pots, pans, lids, and also kitchen storage, meaning the vertical magnetic storage unit for that, as well as a hanging unit for all the lids and stuff, which is pretty awesome. Really good design, really well built, and super durable. We'll go over the cooking as well because we already did some boiling tests, and it it transfers the heat really well. It also stores the heat very well too, like the Dutch oven. They're really well done. Now, it only took us about 30 minutes to make all this breakfast food. So we basically made all this about 30 minutes, and we decided to make a review out of it as well. Reason being is that we utilized every pot and pan in the entire set to make this within 30 minutes. So it's pretty cool. Now, of course, it is a non-stick surface. In fact, the non-stick surface is really good, but we still use a bit of oil so that when we cook the dumplings or pot stickers, we need some oil, and also the eggs. But at the same time, for the toast, the French toast, we really didn't need to use oil at all. We just basically put the bread there and just toasted it. We actually used all the pots, meaning we used even the deep pot. I think this is not the saute pot, but it's the 6-quart or 5-quart pot. And we also used the larger 4.5 quart saute pan to actually cook all the pot stickers and dumplings to make it really crispy and stuff. We also used that the saucepan to cook oatmeal, which is really cool. And we're adding cocoa powder and other stuff and wheat germ into this to make it really, really thick. Now, even though this is all thick and everything, we are actually, cooking with oil, some without oil, but as you can see, it's not sticking to the surface anyway. So later when we're cleaning this, it takes seconds to clean, or even a couple of minutes to clean. Another interesting thing is that there's a little tab on each of the handles to tell you when to stop or where not to hold. Beyond that little tab, it's a little bit warmer, so you don't want to do that. The heating of this is very even and it's very fast too. So when we're using it over a gas stove, it basically heats up very even, very fast, pretty quickly, within under about 60 seconds or so. We start stirring some chopped vegetables, as well as putting some egg in there, putting some bacon in there to make a really nice, I have no idea what this is called, but basically it's a egg with veggies and bacon. So there's plenty of protein and fiber, so it's pretty awesome. Anyways, it cooked really well. It's easy and it doesn't even stick to the pan. So when we're doing the flips and stuff, it's actually very simple and it's almost effortless. You could use any utensil you want. We try to use either a very thin nylon turner or a bamboo or wood, so it doesn't scratch the surface. Now the surface is actually pretty tough, but at the same time we don't want to deal with any damaging the surface anyways for the cooking surface. So we are using your plastic, silicone, or a wooden or bamboo type spatulas and stuff. So it's pretty awesome. Now flipping is very easy. Look how it just easily glides off of this thing. You'll notice on the toast as well, same thing. It doesn't really stick to it. And also the oatmeal or soup doesn't stick to it either. So cleaning this will be extremely easy, and that's exactly why we got this, for cleaning and also for the health reasons, because it's a ceramic coating. It's not a Teflon coating, so it's pretty awesome. Now, that being so hot, we basically start putting some warm water to cool it down. We don't want to put cold water because that's going to damage the surface. But either way, we're just putting some light warm water to cool the thing down, so we don't want it to be that hot. So as you can see, most of the stuff is pretty much clean already. This was the egg pan or the dumpling pan. Both of them actually work very well. As you could see, almost no need for cleaning at all. It's just basically rinse off, and you might want to just wipe it at that point. But if it is a hard stain, you could probably just boil it and it'll probably boil off. That's what we probably would do if it was a heavy stain, but I doubt it. With a little bit of oil, it's pretty easy. Then we just go ahead and put it back into that organizational system they have, and it's pretty fun. Anyways, it's been great owning this thing, and in fact that it's gonna last us many, many years at this point. So anyways guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.